Isang malungkot na balita na maalam na po ang batikang aktres na si Jacqueline Jose o mas kilala ngayon sa tawag na Chief Espinas sa teleseryeng Batang Quiapo. Opo, natagpo ang walang buhay si Miss Jacqueline Jose sa kanyang bahay sa Quezon City at ang dahilan nito ay hindi pa alam. Abangan!
It's not how long we held each other's hand. What matters is how well we loved each other. It's not how far we've traveled on our way, but what we found to say. It's
you are gone and not forgot. Love is in my heart. You're gone and not forgotten. Your life is laid apart in the lives of all who knew you here, and your journey has run beyond the veil. The path continues until in God's arms we